Hey YouTube, it's Dimitri, and today we are going to try the Ponkan. So this is a Ponkan. It's quite large in size. It is a citrus fruit, so we have some blood oranges back in here. But today we're going to harvest this Ponkan. It's my first one and see how it tastes. Oh wow, you see a lot of the citrusy oils coming off of it. I had a bite of the skin. I might candy this and see what it tastes like. Super easy to peel. It's like hollow on the inside, which is kind of odd. I believe this is one of the parent fruits to the sumo. The skin is really tight on it. It reminds me of almost like a Pummelo. There are seeds. It tastes a lot like a Clementine, to be honest with you. But it does have some of like the great juicy fruit in it. Overall, I think it's a 5-star. I really like these. I'll definitely grow these again. So that is the review. This is a Ponkan, easy to peel, easy to eat. A very unique hollow inside on this. We're sitting in February here in Dallas when we're harvesting this, but I really do enjoy these. So I will definitely keep growing this tree, and I highly recommend you grow one as well if you're doing indoor citrus anywhere near Dallas or throughout the US, and you can bring them in and shelter them. So anyways, thanks for watching, and as always, until next time.